Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Sorry, like I said before, I don't make a lot of videos. But look what I picked up last night. Some premiums. Tubular truck editions. I got 4 of the 5. Here we got the 80 Dodge Ram Macho Power Wagon. Look at the detail on them. We got the Chevy Blazer 4x4. Like I said, 1, 2, I missed number 3, the Bronco. 87 Toyota pickup. Sponsored by Toyota Tires. And the 1988 Jeep Wagoneer. Instead of the stripe, they should have had the wood grain, I think. I think I would have made it a little bit cooler. Seeing how they were wood grain. So yeah, these things are pretty cool. The vehicles I grew up with. We actually had an 87 Toyota pickup. I had a Blazer, but it wasn't lifted. And my neighbor had a red Dodge Ram like that. Wasn't the Macho package, but it was just a red. But yeah, pretty cool. Remember, always please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.